Aurelio Concepts, founded by Brendan Aurelio, is an architect by profession. He started building prototypes from scratch in his backyard since 2004. From its humble beginnings to 10 years of hard work, research and development, he created the supercar named Aurelio. The Aurelio boasts of a powerful 1800cc turbocharged engine producing 500 horsepower. The body is mostly fiberglass reinforced plastic, which brings the overall weight to only 632 kilograms. A supercar that is very powerful, yet is affordable. The project may continue to evolve and be enhanced further. The Aurelio Concepts are now accepting investors and partners for further development of the project. In an age of technological innovation and mastery, it is about time that the core values of being Filipino, fidelity, loyalty, hospitality, and hard work has taken center stage in the automotive industry. From advanced concepts to revisiting older times to recreating an icon, the Filipino car builder has a bright future ahead. For more information on Filipino car builders, please visit cochengpinoy.com.